Well, to give you an indication how much water we got last night, I had dumped that out yesterday. That's a lot of water. We got an awful pile of water. I think I even lost one of my Powerades. I think that floated down the stream. Well, it's subsided some, but you can pretty well see that the water comes in quite a ways, and it will pool right there, and then in the winter time it'll freeze, and I would imagine that'll freeze like that, and then it'll rain again and it'll pool again and it'll freeze, and it just probably builds up and builds up to the point that it goes right over the bank there. So this is why I'm going to have to build a wall there, and I'm going to have to use mortar. Because I'm going to have it so that it'll drain. So somewheres in November I'll have to open up the falls here and let it all drain out. Or maybe I'll put a pipe in there so that I can just open the pipe up and just let it drain. That'd probably be a better idea. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just put a pipe in there and have a valve that I can just open up and just let it drain. That way there I can keep the falls intact. Maybe I'll just put a pipe right over here and just have it sticking down here so it'll drain out. It might freeze there, but that's not a big deal. As long as it drains out of here. But yeah, the water's running good. It's running pretty good. The daughter was over here today, so we were out here looking at it. And it definitely seems to be doing pretty good. I looked back at a couple videos and what was here before and what I've done is pretty good. It was well worth the time and effort. Everybody have a nice day.